Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the Tusk seat cargo rack kit for the Polaris Pro XP 4. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we want to show you one of our favorite, most popular accessories to get more cargo capacity in your 4-seat side-by-side, which is the seat cargo rack kit from Tusk. If you own a Pro XP 4 and maybe you don't use the back seats all too often, or maybe there's some trips that you go on where you wish you had more cargo capacity to haul all your gear, this is ideal for that, because when you have these installed, it converts the entire back seats into cargo capacity. So the way it works is really simple. We'll talk more about install here in just a moment, but these racks are made from laser cut, powder coated aluminum. They look awesome when you have these installed. So you've got multiple cutouts, 4 tie down attachment points to get your gear nice and secure. We even include some cargo anchors that will come included as well. But as you can see, now you have the rear seats all completely flat, easy to get your gear inside here. In fact, we've even seen customers who like to take their dogs on their trips, and so they'll actually use these so they have a nice flat space for their dogs to lay on. So there's a lot of great uses for these. Now, as far as the install process goes, it is simple. There's no modification that you have to do to your side-by-side. There's a Y bracket that will come included. You install that Y bracket, and then you just bolt the cargo rack directly to that using OEM mounting locations, and you're ready to go. So it's a simple install process. These are sold individually, so you could buy one for just the driver's side or the passenger side, or you could get both. Really, that just boils down to how much cargo capacity do you want and what your needs are going to be. But if you do have a Pro XP 4, and again, you're looking for more cargo capacity, one of the best, easiest ways to do that is with this seat cargo rack kit. If you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab one today, it is simple. You can click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, orders over $75 ship free, and if you want to always stay up to date on the latest product videos for the Pro XP 4, make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that way you stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.